Hello traders, this is the second part of how to enter a trade like professional traders. In the first part of the video, I was talking about the London session, that it is very important not to enter a trade when you are trading forex or you are trading stock, the European session or the London session of the stock market. Do not enter your trade before 3 a.m. Eastern Time. Otherwise, usually you will be stopped before seeing that your decision has been correct at the first place. So, in order to avoid losing your money before the market open, it is paramount. Like the professional will never enter the trade in the morning before London opens. Okay. In the second part of the video, I want to talk to you about the importance of never to enter the trade before the New York opens at 9:30 Eastern Time. You have to wait for the bell before you look at the market. At least after the bell at 9:30, you wait 1 hour, at least 30 minutes before you make your trading decision to evaluate or to assess, because the market just opened. We want to tell them, we want the market to show us its hands, so to speak. We want to see what the market is doing first, we want some movement first, and then we see what's going to happen. We don't know what the market is going to do as soon as the bell is open, so we give the market time, 1 hour at least, to reveal itself to us, and then from there we will have a bit of pattern that we can follow, because we follow the number one indicator, which is the price. So if you are on the 5-minute chart, after 1 hour, maybe you see double top Mardi cross or double bottom Mardi cross. Okay, so we follow that from there on, or maybe there is a channel being broken, and then we know the direction of the market after 1 hour. So in this second part, I want to say to you the importance of never to enter the trade, even if they give you the best reward in this life. Refuse, do not enter the trade before New York is open at 9:30. Okay, so I want to show to you today something happened today on the 22nd of March 2010. In the morning, it was the USD yen currency pair. I'll show you about the London Open. But when New York is about to open, something very interesting happened. And I posted one video earlier on today when I was saying that the title, like, what is happening to the Euro USD today. That was the title of this video. It's also, you can see on YouTube, I'll say what is happening to the Euro USD. And during that time, when New York was not open yet, New York's about to open within an hour or so. So we see during that time before New York is open that this trend line that you see, if you follow my cursor here, was broken right here, and I made a video I talk about it, broken, and then it has been retested. All this was happening when, if you follow the arrow here, broken here and retested here. But during that time, New York was not open, okay? And I say to you that if we want to enter this trade, we must be very, very careful. First, New York, I was saying that there is a lot of bearish news regarding the euro because of the economical situation of Greece, Spain, and Portugal. So even if you are buying this week the euro, you have to remember that the majority of the fundamentals is telling us to sell the euro because of the Greece situation. So I was saying to you, if you are trading the euro as a bull, you have to be very careful this week, okay? And then during that time, New York was not open, okay? So the trade itself was set up right here before New York was open. It is for everybody to see that the trend line was broken, that the trend line was retested, so it has been validated. But look what's happened once New York was open. As soon as New York was open, the price went all the way down, break even the support level, went completely in the wrong direction here. You see, So if you enter your trade and maybe you have a lot of stop, that time I was saying to you people that if you want to enter, you have to enter with 14 pip at least. That's it, maximum 14 pips. Okay, we put a stop here. But if you enter that trade before New York is open, you will be stopped because the stochastic people, as they did in the morning with USD yen, they did the same thing with euro here. They push the price in the wrong direction again to the downside. So if you waited maybe an hour or so after uh, New York is open, you will see straight away that something funny is happening here. First, the trend line is broken, retest it nicely here. You know, this is a clear validation of this trend line, and also this candle was trying to go up, but then some people came in and pushed the price down. So we had to be very careful that sometimes they will push you in the wrong direction only to do exactly what you were expecting. So we know that this trend line has been validated, but now something strange is happening here with this great red candle that pushed the price down. Okay, you see. So we had to stop a bit and see if this is just a trick or a trap for us to get in as a bear and only to be trap into this kind of trade, you know. And it's exactly what's happened, you know. So if you enter the trade before New York is open, you will be stopped. So the second video again is to tell you that you wait till the market is open in the morning, 3 a.m. after London open. And then if you're going to trade in the New York session, you wait till New York is open and you give it 1 hour before you enter the trade. And this is happening all the time. That's why I say to you that in the morning, if you enter the trade at 3 a.m. London opening time, try to stay in the market for 2 hours or 3 hours maximum and then come out or put your stop at break even or trail your stop. Okay, and then because the market is going to play a funny game from 6 a.m. Eastern time till New York is open, you'll be going up and down, completely wrong direction. It doesn't tell the truth. I mean, you'll be doing a lot of funny thing, you know. I don't know, because some people closing position, new traders are coming in, some traders are closing their morning trade, and all sorts of things are happening during that time. And the chances that you will lose because a lot of strange things are happening during that time. So don't just stay there, you know. Come out of the market after 6 a.m. when you enter the London session, and then wait till New York is opens at 9:30 Eastern time again, and then give it 1 hour and reassess what's going on. Like here, we knew that there's something strange happening here because this trend line is truly broken. If you see clearly the size of this bullish candle, this an hour Euro USD, this has been very bullish, and I was talking about in the morning, very bullish. Yeah, this one, the green one here, you see, and it respected this support level, the horizontal line here, and you break it clearly, and it retests it nicely again. You see, it touches nicely here, and this candle tried to go up here, you see, but there were a lot of strange things that happened here, you know, and suddenly our bullish signal become a bearish signal. So it's like our bear signal had disappeared, you know, out of nowhere. It became bearish signal. So even though I was saying to you that yes, because some people believe that they should sell the euro because of grace, they came back again selling the euro. You see, they were selling because that was the belief last week, too much selling. So I think now the professionals say that's enough. Okay, the euro has been oversold, you know. So they come out here, you know, nicely here. But also, if you look here, I didn't put it here, there is a pivot level here which the price went to find. That's why I said to you, you must always have the pivot level on your chart, because if I have it now, I don't have it now on this chart, but I knew that the pivot, there is a pivot level here. If I remember clearly, either S1 or S2 was here, somewhere here, and the price, because we had the validation on top here, they pushed the price to the pivot level before turning direction. They went even below it a little bit, you know, below it a little bit before they the turnaround. You see, that's why I say to you, it's so important to have the pivot level on your chart to know what's going on. I hope you learned something from this video. Until next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.